Alright, hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a Udemy instructor by the name of Tim Sharp. He's a very successful entrepreneur, and he's been doing it since 2004, so he has over 15 years of experience, and he has posted several videos, several courses online about e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon, and things like that. And I'm just going to briefly go through. I won't read verbatim, but so far he has over 100,000 students. He has 12 courses and over 17,000 reviews, and he's a very, very highly rated instructor. So here are just some of the courses that he has available. ClickFunnels Secrets, he has that for free. As you can see, he has about 4 or 5 free courses that you could take, and then he also has some paid courses. Now, I learned a long time ago that when you're learning a new skill, training is the best course of action. Taking a course, learning from someone who's already done it, been there, done it, sort of thing, and they're willing to share their information. Now, the difference between some of the free courses and the paid courses that I've learned is that the free courses, they touch on some of the subjects, but they don't go really into depth. So the paid courses are, in my opinion, the best route to go because you learn a lot more, and they talk about much more in detail. But you have to decide what you want to do. And he has several to choose from. A lot of it's involving affiliate marketing with Shopify, Amazon, using WordPress for an Amazon affiliate, and a lot of information about drop shipping and things like that. So again, you could take some of his free courses, kind of get an idea of his style of teaching and see if it's for you, or you can jump in and you can take some of his paid courses. It's really up to you. But again, training, especially when you're trying to make money from something, you definitely want to take the proper training. So I'll leave the link to Tim Sharp and his courses. You can decide for yourself what you want to do. You can go into each course, and I'll show you one of his bestseller courses or best-selling courses, and just give you kind of an overview of what you can look and how you can determine if you want to take that class. So it has requirements. It's been updated for 2020, which is good. He has over 505 ratings. He also has another similar course that has even more students. But again, and it's also a good selling one, or one of the best selling ones. And you can see it has a very good rating. Out of 5 stars, it's 4.7. He has over 500 reviews for this course. It gives you the description, some of the reviews you can look through. And you can also see what other courses other students have purchased along with it. You can go through the course content and get an idea of what he's going to be talking about. Here's some other courses that people have purchased. Here's a bio about him. You can go through the reviews. Okay, and it says this one, this course is for, people who are fairly new. Let me go back up to the requirements. Let's see. No prior knowledge of Shopify or affiliate marketing is necessary. So if you're new to this, this is something that that might be for you. Now, if you want to take an advanced course, then you can do that as well. But this is definitely not for, people who have already been doing this and who have already started making money. You definitely want to look into something more advanced if you're already making money and you just want to take your business to the next level. Okay, so over here, this course includes 4 hours on-demand video, 3 articles, 1 downloadable resource, full lifetime access to mobile and TV, and then certification upon completion. So there it is. That's one of his courses. how to find a profitable niche, and finding those profitable niches are very, that's very important, understanding that. So again, there's a lot of courses out here you could take. There's a lot of courses on Udemy itself that you could take, and they're all capped at $299, which in my opinion is really not fair to the instructors, because they can go out to other online platforms, online e-learning platforms, and charge double, sometimes triple for this same information. But Udemy requires them to cap it at $200 or $199.99. So there you go. Thanks for watching. The links to some of his classes are down in the description of this video. Go check them out for yourself and decide for yourself. And best of luck to you. Thanks for watching.